Turn to sender. Defeat 10 Agorians with their own bombs. That might be quite difficult, actually. Oh, okay. I see how this works. Right. Throw a bomb. I dare you. Do it. Oh, damn. This is very easy. I basically just stared down and I'll go Agorian. It was worth it though. This is a very easy mission. Like, very easy. Throw it, throw it! Alright, bet that sucks. Throw another one. Before I go. Haha! Killed his own friend. Nice. Well done. Throw it! Ah, oh, damn it. I got unlucky. You lose. I win. Me! And then they attack me. That was very easy. I expected that to be much harder. Yeah, what kind of constructor mod are we looking at? Can I upgrade it now? What's the point? I don't know if I can. Oh damn, I don't even know what it was. Let's look, shall we? We got a constructor mod somewhere. Can't remember how you look at it. This is going well. Inventory. Is there a construction? Ah, it'd be that one. Customize. Upgrade. Each bomb. Ooh, yes, please. Yes, I approve. I definitely approve of that. Death from above. Oh, Rhino 5 Holoplan, yes. Thanks to a design your own death course contest held by the Agorians, the one sadistic child's dream has become your nightmare. Survive 3 waves of combat while navigating an array of deadly sinking platforms. Lovely, okay. This doesn't seem too bad. That's not that bad. I've seen worse. Yeah, I've seen worse. Okay, so if it's just this, that's not that bad. This is pretty simple. Wave time. Ow, that was kind of annoying. Throw it back. Can I hit both? No, just one. They're actually very good shots. It's kind of annoying. Oh, God. Ah! Christ. Throw! Oh my God, this is really bad. This is much harder than it looks, by the way. Oh, it's you guys who are throwing that. Somehow I don't think this will work. I don't have any... Oh, I do have weapons. I was going to say, I don't have any weapons. Why aren't I using them? I really don't know why I'm not using them. Don't ask. For some reason I got into my head that I wasn't able to use them. Because I'm an idiot. You see, this is much easier. Much easier. Oh man, it's so much easier. Why haven't I been using this the entire time? Nobody knows. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Christ. Shite. I have literally got one hit left. Throw! Oh damn it, I couldn't even see that. Okay, this one's really hard. I was gonna say, it doesn't seem that bad. Oh, it's really bad. No, I failed. Attempt 2. He says worried. But he will die very quickly. Which he will, by the way. Throw it! This is a bad idea! Such a bad idea. Okay, you can delay it if you do that throw. If you do that, then you delay it from exploding, which is kind of helpful, I guess. Throw! Die! Oh, I thought it failed. Okay. Please get it. There we go. Got ya. One more. This is really tough. Bye. Okay. It's much easier now, but I know what I'm doing. But it's still pretty hard. Where are the bombs? Need to get rid of you first. Definitely getting rid of you guys first. Throw it! Got rid of you, and got rid of you. There we go. Throw. There we go. Now I just need to... Ah, damn it. Just need to get rid of your shield. Which isn't as hard as I thought it would be. Did you see those floating bombs? They were pretty cool, weren't they? Back when they were a trend. Throw it! You lose, I win. Do I die? Have I just died? Have I just died? Okay, no I haven't. I was gonna say, did I just lose that? Don't do this to me! That was a bit cruel, but no, it's alright. It's all good. That was hard. That was genuinely hard. Bros before foes. I get the negotiator? Oh, really? Partner up with a gladiator of modest intelligence for a series of battles, culminating in an Agorian rite of passage called Mauling by... Oh, God. Oh, God. Let's see where this is going.
Now, how about we give this Lombax a little backup? Alright, please welcome, all the way from the Solana Galaxy, Mr.
Oh, no.
Copernicus Quark!
It's Captain Quark. I didn't take a 3-week hero correspondence course to be called Mr. Easy on the goods, pal.
It says here on the stat sheet that Quark's fighting style is a mixture of crouching kitten and sleeping possum.
Alright, let's see what shrapnel does. Oh, I like that. I approve wholeheartedly. Quark, have you considered doing something? It's a fort, you know. Oh, nice. Party Crasher. I think there's quite a lot of skill points in this place, but I can't remember what they are. I will, of course, do them all. I don't know if I've explicitly mentioned this in a video, but I plan on doing... Oh, damn it. I plan on doing all of challenge mode in the Let's Play. I plan on showing all of challenge mode because this game deserves it, I think. All of it, every single bit of it, because it's the final one of the series and it's bloody amazing. And oh, Quark dances as well because he's an inferior bastard. Right, I see. That's why he's not helping. Well, that makes sense, I guess. Did you say booyah? We're unstoppable, apparently. Right, kill that one guy. Can you do that? Just fire, you stupid. Oh god, here we go. Oh, I was hoping for that.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the war!
Not good, not good, not good.
Never fear, Ratchet. While I was in captivity, I trained with the elite Umbuku gladiators of Terraclon 6. My body is in peak physical condition. My sense as sharp as trillium razors.
Release the war, Grok!
Oh crap.
Not it!
Ratchet takes out the war.
Rivertron, please dance. Oh, it does. Excellent.
Negotiator.
Plan. This. Oh. Not as good as I hoped it would be. I was hoping it would do a lot, but it didn't do a lot. Quark is not doing anything. Again, I was still hoping he'd do something. You know what? How about this? That's quite a lot. It's kind of good. Ah!
7, 5, 1. You just won an all-expense paid on-road safari.
Please die! What are these things? I don't know. They need to die. No Grutron. Burps though. I can burp. Halfway down! Ah. Okay. Potentially bad. You know, not overly bad, but potentially. I thought worse. I think I'm failing to recall when, but okay. We're going to phase 3, I guess. Oh, there's so many of you. Oh, I don't have any more. Shit. I got some of these at least. Okay. I got something, I guess. Yes, die, please. No, really, please die. At least I get a weapon for this. If I'm gonna go out fighting, I'm gonna do it with this. You die. Giant ball of electricity. Bet that stings.
You must kill the War Grok.
Honorable lizard thing, I understand your proud warrior ways. The Nabla tribesmen of Florana once referred to me as or he with mighty pecs who had delivered us serenity. But we cannot kill this creature.
You must kill the War Grok or die.
Quark! This thing's trying to eat me!
This Lombax is young. He does not understand that being a hero is 45% strength, 60% bravery, and 10% raw intelligence.
That's 115%!
You're welcome. Please, take me instead. All that I ask is that you name something impressive in my honor. Perhaps a school, or a food court.
By the blade of Argos, you have honored us. You are a true hero.
Who's a good War Grok? You are. Yes, you are. I'm gonna name you Snowball.
You've got to be kidding me.
Hi-ho, Snowball! Away!
Okay. Well, got the weapon I wanted.
The Negotiator, the latest in Grummelnet's line of rocket-propelled incendiary devices. This explosive weapon was designed to solve problems in 2 easy steps. Point and shoot. Just aim the weapon at whoever's giving you grief and... boom! Problem solved. The Negotiator. Available only at...
You're so right. Problem solved.
Swell job, kid. Swell job. I just cleaned up thanks to you. Time to roll back to make good on his promise. I won this security card off of the Veritas Trooper. Maybe you can find a use for it.
Nice.
Attention, Battleplex patrons. We would like
Cool.
to congratulate our first non-Argorian champion. Ratchet has defeated the War Grok in battle and won the Bronze Cup.